Hello everybody, Strasburg Xander Productions here. Today we're going to be reviewing the Pennsylvania A5 LionChief Plus Switcher Locomotive. It's really cool, I really like it. I got it last year for Christmas. It was a Christmas gift. Here's the remote. It's got the Pennsylvania Locomotive. It's got the Pennsylvania logo. So here's the bell. Here's some crew talk.
This is the tower. All clear to move on to the lead. Over. Copy that. Here we come. Out. This is the tower. All clear to move on to the lead. Over. Copy that. Here we come. Out.
It's common crew talk. And then here's the whistle. I changed the pitch to a lower pitch on the Bluetooth app. Here's the front coupler. Here's the rear coupler. This is what the inside of the cab looks like. There's an engineer and driver. The firebox does not light up because on some LionChief Plus locomotives the firebox lights up, but unfortunately this one doesn't light up. Here's the bell. It actually swings. And then here's the cab roof, which actually opens. This thing I like. It's got, you can operate the front and rear coupler, you can see. So if you hold shift and then the coupler will open. See, the rear coupler opened. Now let's open the front coupler. You hold shift and then it opened. Alright, let's get this train running. All aboard!
Tower, am I clear? Over. Roger that. The lead is clear for your move. Thank you much. Out. Tower, how's the lead look? Are we clear? Over. Yes, the lead is yours. Over. Clear to the cut. Out.
In case you haven't known, about a month ago, we moved my layout down here into my bedroom. You can see the train right underneath the shelf. I have some shelves. Anyway, here's the locomotive.
I'm returning to the lead. Is it clear? Over. Roger that. All clear to move on to the lead. Over. Copy that. Here we come. Out. Still waiting. Am I clear yet? Over. Roger that. The lead is yours. Over. Thank you much. I've got clearance to pull. Out. Yardmaster, we're ready. Are we clear to pull? Over. Negative. Hold for my clearance. Over. Yes, sir. Standing by. Out.
That about wraps up this video. Hope you like it. And don't forget to comment, like, or subscribe to my channel. Bye.